got to let it go.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to wrap up hashtag 25 days of DIY with a holiday Q&A because one, I didn't want to do a what I got for Christmas video because literally everyone else is doing that right now, and also because I don't like watching those videos very much, so I didn't think it would be very fun for me to do one of those, but who knows, I might do one in the future. And also because it's holiday Q&A and that rhymes, and I thought that was cute, and also it's a perfect way to wrap up the holiday season. Before we get started, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and while you're down there, subscribe so that you never miss a video. And I'm going to be posting every single Wednesday after this video. Let's get on into the video. Let's go! So I have a list of 12 questions for this Q&A. Also post your comments down below of all of your answers because I love reading them, and that will be really fun for me to do. Alright, so is your favorite holiday Christmas? Technically, yes, I do love Christmas so much. My #1 favorite holiday, but I have a lot of favorite holidays after that as well. Oh my gosh, it just got really windy. It's also really cloudy right now, so that's why it looks like it's actually not focused in the background, but it actually is because it's really dark. Oh well, hopefully it doesn't rain on me. Okay, so what is your favorite holiday dessert? Now my favorite holiday dessert is definitely peppermint bark, and that is why I did peppermint bark for at least one of the days on 25 days of DIY each year, and I really like it, one of my favorite combinations ever, so that is why I do that, and also why it is my favorite. What is your favorite Christmas feast food? So if I were to choose one food that I would have for a Christmas feast, it would definitely be mashed potatoes. I don't know why I like it so much. It's just my absolute favorite. I don't even know why. Okay, so then this kind of goes along with the first question. #4 is what is your favorite holiday besides Christmas? So my favorite holiday besides Christmas is Halloween, because on Halloween you can get a bunch of candy along with Christmas. #5 is what is one holiday tradition that you have? And our holiday tradition is making maple cookies because they are delicious, and we have those every single year for Christmas Eve. And so this next one has 3 different pictures. I'll put those up on the screen. So #6, which picture fits your holiday aesthetic? And so I would have to say #2 because it is really snowy, and also because it is very snowy and I love the colors in it. It's really plain and kind of white, but there's a lot of trees and more things going on. And the rest of them I really like too, but I think #2 is definitely my holiday aesthetic. #7, what was your favorite DIY this year? So my favorite DIY this year for 25 days of DIY was definitely my holiday canvas arts that I did on day 5. So if you guys want to see that video, then click the link up in the corner in the eye, because I really liked that video and it's probably one of my favorites. Okay, so the next question, #8, I believe. Winter or summer? Winter all the way, because summer is just too hot. And I mean, I like summer because it's really sunny, but winter, I like winter better because I love cold weather and rain and snow and things like that. Okay, what was one thing that was on your Christmas list? One thing that was on my Christmas list was a brand new bullet journal for next year, because I'm going to be doing some more bullet journal videos next year because you guys absolutely love those. And also I just really wanted to start it up again. I kind of did one this year, but not really. So I wanted to do a kind of more official one. And then what was my favorite present? No, it's getting windy again. This is the second time I've done this video already, and both of them has been ruined because it gets really windy. I think that my favorite present was a CD player that I got that was really cool, and it looked really retro, and I honestly love playing CDs. Next one, which is #11, what is your favorite holiday cookie? And there's so many different cookies. I obviously love the maple ones that we make, but my favorite one is a snickerdoodle cookie. So those are delicious and have cinnamon in it. Because it has a lot of cinnamon in it, and I really like cinnamon. And the last question, #12, is what is your favorite animal that is winter themed? That it is a penguin or a snowy owl, because penguins are adorable. I love penguins so much, and I always have. And obviously I love owls too, and snowy owls are so cute. So those are my favorite winter animals. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you commented any of your answers, then make sure to comment those down below. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe right here on the screen so that you don't miss any of my videos. I'm going to be uploading every Wednesday from now on because I'm going back to my normal schedule, and also click the watch now button to watch my last video. And I'll see you guys next Wednesday. Bye!